New year, new business, right?
Okay.
Maybe you were at those family gatherings over the holidays and you talked to somebody about this great idea that you had that you wanted to bring to market. And maybe you've been sitting on this great idea for a while. You've had this thought of a product or service that you think is missing in our community. You want to create it and you want to launch it. So maybe 2024 is the year you're going to do that. If you're venturing in to starting a business, there's certain aspects
Yeah.
you just don't know, and you can't know unless you've gone through it. And so we saw the gap of information in our community. There are a lot of resources out there that you as an entrepreneur can tap into to help you, whether it's help refining your idea, identifying your target audience, or what's the proper zoning and permitting. There are tons of resources,
Yes, there are.
tons of touch points out there. But what we felt was missing is the putting it all together.
Clearinghouse to find all the different parts.
Clearinghouse. So where is that 10,000 foot sort of step-by-step guide as to how it all fits together? We've got the Small Business Center at CBCC. We have the Small Business Technology and Development Center. We have all of our local municipalities and our county who are ready and are willing to sit down and spend time with you. We have other resources like our downtown development associations, like our home builders associations, all these associations and resources and entities and agencies who are ready and willing, but where's the guide that puts it all together? So we created that. So the end of 2023, we worked with all of those partners and we put together a comprehensive sort of step-by-step guide, if you will, and we're calling it a digital toolkit. It's going to live and breathe online. It'll be fully dynamic and we'll change it as things change or add resources as resources are added. And somebody can take this and go from start to finish. So from refining your idea to ribbon cutting, right? As your chamber, our goal is to be that sort of guide, be that ombudsman, if you will, be that liaison, an advocate to point you in the right direction.
Right.
I'm going to live on the chamber's website, but we're also going to be relying on all of those partners that I mentioned, in addition to others such as lenders in our community.
Right.
You know, it's going to sit in the lobby of a bank. You know, anywhere where an entrepreneur, any kind of entry point where an entrepreneur would access. Our commercial realtors are going to be key.
Right.
Our property managers are going to be key. Our property owners will be key. So anybody that's working with someone that may want to start a business or scale their business, they want to expand and grow, those will be the entities that will help point people in the direction of this digital toolkit to then help navigate that person through the process.